Over 1 billion hours of YouTube videos are viewed every day by people around the globe. Imagine niyo mga kaibigang Juan, paano kung hindi ka nag-upload ng video? Paano kung hindi kayo nagla-livestream? It is the recommendation system that decides which videos YouTube suggests to those 2 billion plus human users. A small YouTube channel, hindi imposible na magkaroon kayo ng million views. Paano kayo re-recommend ng algorithm? YouTube says that algorithm is feedback loop in real time that recommends videos to individual viewers according to their different interests. In computer science, a feedback sample po sa computer science, a feedback loop refers to an endless loop of instructions that can be given to a computer that has no final step. In software development, feedback loops are used on programs to detect potential problems or defects within the code. For example, input, no? Sa computer, nag-input, pinrocess ngayon yung na-input na kung ano man yon. And then, nagkaroon siya ng output. Magkakaroon siya ng feedback. Itong feedback na to, babalik siya dun sa and then magiging cycle ulit, magpa-process ulit siya, iikot siya ulit. Yan po yung tinatawag na feedback loop. Now, YouTube algorithm. Ito, 2021 to mga kaibigang Juan. Ang sabi ng YouTube says that in 2021, homepage and suggested videos are usually the top sources of traffic for most channels. So now, do sa research paper, published by Google engineers si Paul Covington at saka si Jay Adams and Emre Sargin, they break down the signals. Used to rank videos. Ito yun, yung mga signal. Number 1, click-through rate. The likelihood of someone clicking on your video after seeing it. Number 2, watch time. The combined amount of time that the viewer spend watching your videos. Number 3, how many videos the user watched from your channel. Number 4, how recently the user watched a video about this topic. Number 5, what the user has searched for in the past. Number 6, the user previously watched videos. Number 7, the user's demographic information and location. The first 3 signals are the only ones you can influence directly. Consistency is the foundation of success on YouTube. Without it, you might be able to capture attention, but you won't be able to keep it.